Hi, truthful man. Hi, cousins.
Wanjiru Githae kuma Karandi Mathira na uria uikaraga bururi wa Amerika niwe utumurite ndereti ya kiria gitumite Gachagua ahane kari ruriri rwa Gikuyu tu araririria hoka ni maria Kenya maragerera rungu rwa utongoria wa President William Ruto. Kiuria giake gigitamba ota mwaki wa nyeki nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria.
Tuko na maswali?
Mwiritu uyu arorete Gachagua ritho kwa ritho no camba wa mwanya akimuria korwo enda gutuika mutongoria wa andu othe abatie kwamba kwaura nguo ya kiukabira meciria-ini na kanua-ini gake nehumbe nguo ya kibururi niguo itikirike.
And Mheshimiwa, we are here to tell you the truth. And if we don't tell you the truth as Gen Zs, we are doomed to fail and Mheshimiwa, to start positioning yourself as a national leader, not as a tribal leader. And I know many people won't like what I'm saying, but it's the truth. The first mistake that has been done in this event is speaking Kikuyu. And me, I'm from Mathira, Karandi, so not everyone knows Kikuyu, but I know a little bit. And unless that is addressed, then all this will be for nothing.
Agicokia muguyu mururu augite korwo ni mukabira ndangianyitire President Ruto baru thengia wa gukanio ni President wa hindeo Uhuru Kenyatta.
I supported William Ruto knowing he's not a Kikuyu. I and the people of Mount Kenya are nationalists. We are good people. Against the advice of Uhuru Kenyatta, our own son, who was president, he told us
the speech about you in Boston, and the speech was a good speech, but there is something you said that Kikuyus economic, are more hardworking. I'm paraphrasing, economic. We've grown the country, but we have done that because we are a beneficiary of the system of Jomo Kenyatta.
And I am aware and I'm very conscious that our unity is our strength. And our relevance in the national political discourse is informed by being united and casting our vote in one ballot box. So I want to assure you, my daughter, we are good people and we are national. And I work with everybody.
Ogete gutire ruriri ataranyita baru akiheana muhano uria koretwo agithiururuka miene tiganite Kenya.
I have traveled. I was in Ukambani. I was received like a king. I was in Mombasa, Kilifi, Malindi. I had a good engagement with the people. I was in Narok. I was in Kajiado. I work well with the Ma. I was in Bungoma. I was in Kakamega. I was in Vihiga.
Aria mekinyitie mucemanio-ini uyu ni maheanite mamwe ma maria mangienda hoka ni kunyihia thogora wa iguru wa muturire.
Excellent, this can end. We can fix our country. What you see here is a powerhouse of knowledge.
Ngirifotere Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.